style, drinking some homemade wine. Yeah! What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Man, today is Sunday, October 4th. Oh my God, it's so amazing. As you can tell, I am wearing the new Hope flannel from Dixon. Boys and girls, this thing is hot. I'm stoked. Oh my God. Yeah, I got my brother-in-law with me back behind me, man, and we are making another Buc-Ee'S run for another one of my boys, Cuz from Dad and Mad. So if y'all have not checked out Cuz from Dad and Mad from Dad and Mad, make sure y'all go to their channel, man. It'll be linked down below, and I got it right here as well. But go check them out, man. Give them a follow. They are amazing people. Mad is awesome. She loves motorcycles, and the whole family does, actually. Mama Soph as well. She also rides. So it's a whole group family, man. The channel's amazing. It's a good family channel. So make sure y'all get over there and check them out. And let them know Knuckles sent you if you haven't checked them out already. So anyway, we are headed to Buc-Ee'S, man, because I am making, I'm going to buy some stuff for Cuz, Mad, and Mama Soph. And I'm going to ship it over to them. They're over in the UK. And so we're going to ship that stuff to them, man. And get them a little piece of Texas. So that'll be dope. And hopefully they'll like the stuff, man. They are, especially Mad, and Cuz too, really. They are actually really into sweets. They love their sweets. So I will probably be getting them some sweets and some cool stuff from Buc-Ee'S with the Buc-Ee'S logo, of course, and maybe even something like I did for Skidpig, says don't mess with Texas. So yeah, man, it's gonna be good stuff. So we're headed there. It was a last minute run, so I didn't get to invite a bunch of people, but my brother-in-law, man, he's always down. My brother-in-law's always down. So we are running out there now, and yeah, so I guess we'll just see when we get there. See you. All right, kinfolk, we got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes, and we will be at world famous Buc-Ee'S. God, man, it's such a beautiful day today. When I got up this morning, it was like 64 degrees. Jeez. Here last couple days, it has been pretty cool in the mornings, but man, today just feels amazing. So decided I better get out there and do this trip. And I'm probably gonna make a couple more videos today too. So yeah, no, gotta get them in while you can. So there we go. Oh, there's Buc-Ee'S. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's a big old Buc-ee head. Yes, sir. Man, I love going to Buc-Ee'S. Buc-Ee'S is so cool. They got so much shit in there. I usually get in trouble when I go in there because I want to buy everything. Everything.
In half a mile, take the right, then turn right. Take the next right, then turn right.
Let's see where we can find. Gotta find a parking spot. So many Jeeps out here too, man. Look at that.
The destination is on the left.
Nice. Right here in the front, baby. All right, kinfolk, we'll see you in the big camera. Yes, look at all these people out here. There. Got the food over here. Man, I love Buc-Ee's. These are amazing. So good. Pecans and almonds. Alright, let's go see what we can get Cuz. Alright, kinfolk. We hooked Cuz and Mad and Mama Soph up. So now we're just gonna head out and go try this barbecue place, man. So that'll be another video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I'll probably run a little clip of what I got them. That way y'all can see exactly what I got them. But y'all be looking out for the unboxing video of that on Dad and Mad's channel as well. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.